Let's learn nevoid basal cell carcinoma syndrome by this little Gorlin, because the other name for this syndrome is the Gorlin syndrome. The first presentation of this syndrome is the calcified fox cerebri, which is an important finding in the CNS. Another finding is the ocular hypertelorism, which is an increased distance between the two eyes. One very important manifestation of this syndrome is multiple basal cell carcinoma, which is a hallmark of nevoid basal cell carcinoma syndrome as implicated in the name. Next, you can see the bifid ribs, which is an important characteristic of this syndrome. Along with that, there are multiple palmoplantar pits, that is shown in the hands. Moving on next, the skin finding is epidermoid cyst, which are frequent on the Gorlin syndrome. An important finding is odontogenic keratocyst, which is jaw cyst. Talking about the genetics of this syndrome, it's autosomal dominant condition with 50% inheritance, and it is caused by the PTCH gene mutation. That is same mutation that is found in the basal cell carcinoma. Another important MCQ point is the finding of the ovaries, which is calcified ovarian fibroma, and the kyphoscoliosis of the other vertebra. These are the two important points. As it is triggered by the sunlight, so the treatment is avoid the sunlight, the main factor. So that is all the features of the Gorlin syndrome.